My dear students, I welcome you again on this amazing learning platform Learn Forward. We are doing science and we have reached till the end of this book today. We are doing science with the book Linked with Science by Feathercap. This is the last chapter of the grade and the title says that we are going to learn here today about rocks and minerals. Okay, rocks and minerals. So let's start. Okay, a sweet little cat. Take a smooth round shaped stone and paint it using fabric colors of your choice. So you can take a stone, round stone, beautiful, and you can decorate it by using the colors. Now decorate it using colors and glitters, everything. Take help from the picture. You can do something like this also. You can also write your name on it. Your paper weight is ready. Now you can keep this stone because now it has been turned into a very beautiful stone by coloring and glittering. Now you can keep it on the paper. You can use it as a paper weight. Now start the chapter. Our earth is made of hard substances called rock. Our earth has rocks. Our earth has water. Our earth has soil, everything. Okay. Now they are found on mountains, specifically on hills, under rivers also, riverbed also have stones and rocks, at the bottom of the seas also. There are many kinds of rocks, different kinds of rocks are there. Rocks can be of different colors like green, grey, white, red. They can be hard or soft. Some rocks are very soft, some are very hard. They can be of different colors, white, grey, green or red. Okay, now, so types and uses of rocks. First one is hard rocks. So first we are going to cover about hard rocks. Granite. So this is a granite. Can you see grains? Thing like the here grains, small grains. So this is the reason why it is called as granite. Granite is a very hard rock. It is used to make buildings. It is used to make buildings, floor, tiles and statues. It is also used to make kitchen slabs, okay, on the working top of the kitchen. Okay, now, so this is granite. Marble. Marble is also a hard rock, but it is less hard as compared to the granite. And this is the reason why we use granite in making statues and floors and everything. Marble is used to make buildings also, floor and statues. Okay. Which building is made up of marble? Your homework question. Find it out. Now sandstone is also a hard rock. It is again a hard rock, but it is not as hard as granite and marble. So it is softer as compared to granite and marble. It is used to make temples and forts. Red fort is made up of this sandstone. Okay. So temples and forts are made because this is a beautiful red color. So we don't have to use actually color on it. So beautiful buildings are made out of this sandstone. Now come to soft stones, soft rocks. So first and foremost that we see in our schools, so these are chalk. Chalk is a soft stone and it is white in color. We all have come across of this chalk. It is used for writing on a blackboard or a green board. Okay. So it is sometimes used nowadays. Everybody is having these markers and whiteboards. But again, in maybe 2, 3, 5 years back, we were using blackboards and chalks. Now slate is again a soft rock. It is used for making blackboards. So we are making blackboards and chalks, both are rocks and both are soft rocks. So slate is used to make the blackboard. Coal is a black soft rock. It can be broken down. It is used for cooking and running steam engines because when we burn coal, some steam is produced that can be used as a energy fuel. Now when coal is burnt for cooking, it produces a number of harmful gases which makes the air dirty. So this is the reason why we have switched to electronic engines and we have switched to LPG gases. Okay. So because it is harmful for the environment. So think and tell. Put tick and cross for false statements you have to do. Our earth is made up of water. It is made up of water, no doubt about it. But here earth, if we are talking, because inside also earth is present, it is made up of rocks and stones. So I am putting a cross here. Marble is, according to this chapter, earth is not made up of water, but because of the rocks and stones. Now marble is used to make buildings. True. Red fort is made up of red marble. No, red sandstone. Chalk is used for writing on paper. No, chalk is used to write on a blackboard. Coal is used for cooking. Yes, it was used for cooking. And nowadays, again, some of the parts of the India, we use coal for cooking purpose. Now, minerals. All rocks are made up of certain one or more or maybe other type of mineral. Minerals are of different shapes and shades and sizes. So, minerals are of different shapes, they are of different colors, and they are of different sizes as well. Minerals are needed to make a variety of things we use every day. So, minerals can be used to make variety of things. What are these? Let's see. Gold, platinum, silver that we use to make jewelry, and copper also are few metals which occur in nature in pure form. Copper is used to make wires, electrical wires. Gold, platinum, silver are used to make jewelry. So these are the metals, these are the materials, minerals that are found in the nature itself. Now mirrors are made up of silver and silica. So the mirrors that we use in our houses are made up of silver and silica, and these again are a type of minerals. Now pots and sculptures are made up of china clay. So we use china clay to make pots, to make all the these crockery that we use in our houses, and sculptures also are used, means the decorative pieces, the show pieces that we use in our houses are made up of china clay. Now talcum powder is made up of talc. The powder that we use, that is a very soft thing, and talc is the softest material, okay, mineral. So that is used to make talc. Nowadays, blackboard chalk is made up of gypsum. Now we are not using actual chalk to make the chalk, but we are using gypsum to make chalk for making smooth strokes or for increasing its durability. Now quartz is used in watches. Always try to see there is something written in your watch, okay, your dial of the watch, and that is quartz. So that says that your watch is made up of quartz mineral. Now light bulbs are made of tungsten. So again this is a metal. So the light bulbs, they have a filament inside it that is made up of tungsten. Okay. Now the middle of the pencil is made up of graphite. It is the lead that you call as lead, through which you write things, that is made up of graphite. Now gemstones, beautiful stones are called as gemstones that are used again in the jewelry. So this is raw ruby. Ruby is a gem. Emerald again is a gem, and raw garnet again is a gem. They are very, very expensive because they are found in a very small amount, one thing. Again, for extracting it from, for getting it from the earth, we require huge labor, we require huge processing, that is very expensive. So to take out all the cost, we actually give it very expensive. Now gemstones are very hard mineral. They are hard. They are cut into various shapes and polished. Now first they are cut to get set into the specified jewelry, and then they are polished. Gemstones are very beautiful and expensive. They are used commonly in the jewelry. Others are, now this is raw ruby, this is a polished and cut ruby. This is a raw emerald, this is a polished emerald. This is a garnet, again a polished garnet, and this is a sapphire. Okay. Neelam, panna, ruby is ruby and garnet. Okay, both are similar in the appearance. So now next come to your Olympiad test. Which among the following is the softest material? Graphite, diamond, quartz or talc? Talc is the softest material, then quartz, then graphite, and then diamond. Rock P. Where is this rock P? Okay, they are just giving the information. Rock P floats on water while rock Q wears easily when rubbed. Okay, it just gets destroyed when it is rubbed. Which of the following option correctly identify these rocks? Okay, the rock that floats on the surface of the water have some grooves and some holes inside it, and that type of rock is called as pumice, and pumice rock is generally used as body scrubber as well, okay, because it has these grooves. So rock P is pumice for sure, and the another one, granite, cannot be. Graphite can be done because granite is very strong, so it cannot be wear when you are rubbing. So second is chalk. Chalk can be destroyed while rubbing, while pumice can float on water. Choose the correct answer. This rock is used to make floor tiles. Marble, chalk or coal? Marble. Floor tiles. This is used for cooking things. Sandstone, slate or coal? coal. This is used for making watches. So very clear, quartz. Gemstones are used to make this bulb, mirror or jewelry. Fill in the blanks. The earth is mostly made of rocks and minerals. It is made of rocks and minerals. Okay. Dash is very hard rock. Granite is very hard rock. Dash is used to make kitchen slabs. Again, what? What was it? To make kitchen slabs? Granite. Mirrors are made of silver and silica. Gemstones are very hard rocks. Let's see. Very hard minerals. These are very hard minerals. Okay. Now name them. Used to make blackboards. Slate. Used in making pencils. Graphite. Used to make floors and statues. You can write granite, you can write marble as well. Both are correct. Used to make kitchen slabs, granite. Because it is strong. Now subjective questions. Name any two soft rocks. One is chalk, one is talc. What is marble used for? For making statues and for making buildings. Which rock is used for running steam engines? Coal. What are rocks made of? Rocks are made up of minerals. What are rocks? Rocks are strong material that are made up of minerals. Write any two examples, granite and you can write slate, you can write marble, sandstone. What are minerals? Minerals are something that makes the rocks. Okay, these are means every rock is made up of one or two minerals. Write any two examples. So you can name any of the gemstone. You can name this silver, gold is a mineral and ruby is a mineral. Name four minerals that are used as gemstones. Ruby, emerald, sapphire and garnet. Okay, so these are the four gemstones. So now this is the end of the lesson, this is the end of the book and we have reached till the end of this session again. So keep learning students, happy learning.